Ruru Madrid opens up about his touching encounters with Tondo residents. Kapuso actor Ruru Madrid shared his touching encounters with the residents of Tondo, Manila. In his new project, the Kapuso action series Hari ng Tondo, Ruru works once again with Kapuso A-list actor Dennis Trillo. They first worked together in the movie Green Bones, in which they both got the top acting awards in the Metro Manila Film Festival 2024. In a recent interview based on the article in PEP, Ruru was asked who between him and Dennis is the real Hari ng Tondo. The younger actor just smiled, and then he said, "Dito ang kagandahan sa programang ito. Hindi tayo magkiklaim na tayo yung hari ng Tondo. Hayaan natin ang mga tao yung magluluklok sa atin dun." One good thing that they experienced was that their taping in Tondo went smoothly. They were treated well by the people of Tondo. Ang kagandahan po kasi, every time na nagsushoot kami sa Tondo, somehow parang connected na kami yung istorya sa totoong buhay. Ruru Madrid said, if they are shooting Balut Tondo, their constant location, the characters were elevated and they got closer to people living in the area.